minus 1 upon 3. See this, 3 is for 5x minus 1 equals to x minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2. Then find x. That is what is required. So just solve this. X minus, open the brackets. See this, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, and this 5x minus 1 upon 3 as it is. Okay. And this as it is, x minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Don't touch this now. So solve the left hand side. LCM is what? 3. Here nothing means 1. Here nothing means 1. So LCM is 3. So 3x minus 3 to the 6x. Now this as it is, because plus sign outside this whole, so it will come as it is. If this would have been minus sign, minus, then it would have been minus 5x plus 1. In that case, now it's plus sign, so bring them as it is. So 3x minus 6x plus 5 minus 1, the whole upon 3. And here again solve this. 3 and 2, LCM is 6. So 2 into x minus 1 plus 3 into 1. That is, you can also cross multiply, same thing, upon 6. Okay. Solve this. 3x minus 6x plus 5x. So it becomes 2x minus 1, the whole upon 3. And here solve this. 2x minus 2 plus 3. Right? 2x minus 2 plus 3. So solve this. 2x plus 1. Left hand side as it is. So now next, 3 ones are 3 twos are. Cancel this. 1 and 2. So what remains? Here 1 and here 2. Cross multiply. 2 into 2x minus 1, right, equals to 2x plus 1. Nothing means 1. Multiply by 1. So don't show it. It's okay. Then next, 2 into 2x is 4x minus 2 equals to 2x plus 1. Bring x on one side and without x on the other side. So 4x minus 2x and plus 2 minus 2 on this side, it becomes plus 2. 2x on this side, it becomes minus 2x. So 2x equals to, this is 3. So 2x equals to 3. So x equals to 3 by 2. That is the answer required. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.